In this video, I'll show you exactly how to put two videos side by side in Clipchamp editor. Let's get started. I'm going to use this content library videos for this tutorial, but make sure to import your video asset beforehand. So once you are ready, just drag and drop it onto the timeline, the first video, and then select the second video asset on top of the first video, and make sure they adjust the duration of both videos. It needs to be the same length of these two videos, and then select the top the video first and drag it to the left or right depending on where you want it to be. And then once it's okay, so navigate to this floating toolbar and click on crop, and then adjust the size, and then hit done. Next, you can use the exact same process for the bottom video, and select the B-roll asset and drag it all the way to the right this time. And then once it's placed correctly, go click on crop and adjust the size. And let's take a look at the final result for this video. Let's see. Yeah, it works perfect. If you want to make this more visually appealing, you can add frames, animated text, and borders, and whatever. And if you are happy with the way it looks, just navigate to this export button and download your video or save it directly onto the connected OneDrive. Yeah, there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.